Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous videos we saw some basic concepts of core Java to start with, to kickstart our journey towards learning this whole programming language. So that was kind of done. Now we have an idea how classes can be created, how we can create methods, how we can create variables. We have also saw some package keywords of Java. Then we saw access modifiers. So now we have some environment with us, so we can work on that. So now we can start working on this object-oriented programming concept. So any language which says that I am object-oriented, they need to provide these four features: inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. So what is actually object-oriented programming? It's just a way of creating objects that contains both data and methods. Here methods, we know what is method. Data is just, the class properties of fields. So when we combine them, we have a way to achieve or actually explain the things which you actually visualize. And it depends how your project is, what's the environment. It could be a banking domain, it could be a ticketing system, online shopping cart system. All the variables are there, so we have to accordingly create certain classes, methods, and that's how we design our business logic. So the feature says provides a clear structure for the program. So if you are following this, so definitely your structure of the program must be clear. It makes code easier to maintain, modify, and debug. Yep, if your code looks clean and you know free from all the bugs, so definitely it looks and then you can easily modify that as well and create full reusable application with less code. So if you're following the OOPS concept, definitely your code must have all these features with it. Okay, when we start learning this object-oriented programming, there's one term DRY. Don't repeat yourself. The try rule. It says that you should not repeat your code. Once you have written some code, just stick to that. And if you need that code somewhere else, just create the object and call that method. Because that method must have that logic part. What it says, extract out the codes that are common for the application and place them at a single place and reuse them instead of repeating it. Yep, that's right. Um, let's open this class calculator. So what we have, even the name says calculator, so definitely it says okay, we have some basic operations: add, subtract, multiplication, division. So think about, let's say after some time later I need to create one more class which says operations, some mathematical operations. So obviously these are some four basic features which are required, so I don't need to create again this add method in that separate file. We already have a calculator class there, just need to create a different package, call the method from this calculator, and things will be done. So that's how we can reuse our code. So that's the overview of how object-oriented programming should, any language which supports object-oriented programming. So what kind of feature they can have and what they should do when they are writing code. In upcoming classes, we will continue these features of object-oriented programming and we'll go into much detail like how these features are implemented in Java language. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have any question or query, please make sure that you are writing in the chats. Let's see in the next video. Bye bye.